Hey cookie creators and lovers alike, I'm Gabby. It's Easter, and you know what that means. Sugar, sugar, and more sugar. Today on the Cool Cookie Show, we're making Peep-inspired sugar cookies. We'll start with the classic and original Yellow Chick Peep. While the icing is still wet, I'll grab some yellow sanding sugar and lightly coat the top of the cookie with its sweet shell. This Peep's all done. Now to make him some friends. Colorful Easter Bunny Peeps are also popular for the season, so let's make some of those. For more information on icing consistency, check out my video where I break down 3 different types. I'll link it in the details below. You may be wondering why I colored my icing when I'm going to cover it in sugar anyways. Coloring the icing ensures everything is nice and opaque. But if you're okay with seeing the white through the sprinkles, feel free to skip the food coloring. We'll finish them up with some eyes. These sugar buzz building bunnies are all done. Try saying that 10 times fast. Are you a fan of Peeps? If so, do you have a certain color or shape preference? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, as it really helps the channel. If you'd like to see more videos like this, click the subscribe button as well as the bell icon that shows up to be notified every time I upload a new video. In the meantime, here are some other videos you may enjoy. Thanks so much for watching the Cool Cookie Show. Until next time, stay sweet.